Hello everyone, my name is Gina and I would like to officially welcome you to Seasoned Beauties. If this is your first time visiting with us on today, welcome and thank you for stopping by. If you are returning, thank you very much. Your girl really does appreciate it and welcome back. Either way, if you are currently not subscribed to this Seasoned Beauties channel, go ahead, hit that subscribe button below. Become a part of the family. We'd be happy to have you. Claim your leaf on this tree because there's more than enough room on this family tree just for you. Now, our video on today, we will be unboxing our October. Oh my God. We only have 2 months left and this year is over. Nonetheless, digress for a moment. We are here to unbox our October BoxyCharm as we rev up for our newest boxy venture, which you'll see more information about that as we go along. Well, for those of you who are not currently familiar with BoxyCharm, they're making so many changes. But it's Boxy 2.0, Boxy Ultimate, Boxy Plus. It's BoxyCharm on steroids. How about that? Okay, so we're going to jump in and see exactly what's in this box. Now, before we go forward, I do want to let you know that as of next month, BoxyCharm will no longer be $21 a month. It will go to $25 per month. So just want to keep reminding you, give you a heads up, so when you see the difference on your statements, you'll know why. Well, when we open up our box, of course, the first thing we pull out is our description card. And it says, flip over for a bigger BoxyCharm. The information for the up-and-coming BoxyCharm 2.0. It says better value, customization, choice, add-ons, and Boxy pop-up. Okay? And they will also be introducing the beauty box worth over $175 for only $35. And that one will be the BoxyCharm Premium. Okay? So let's just jump into this. And this one is titled After Dark. And the variation that we have is 26. You see right here. Okay. Now, and the first item that we have is an eyeshadow palette, and it's by Dose of Colors. Now, they had several variations of this item. However, the one that we received is Baked Browns. The packaging, of course, is gorgeous, and it does come with a mirror, and in classic okay, palette's a little dirty here. Okay, nonetheless, let's just see what these shades look like. How about that? Can we see those good? I am so feeling this brown here. It does come with a brush. It's not a flimsy brush. As a matter of fact, seems to be pretty decent. Okay, hopefully this allows you to see it better. I don't want it to, the mirror to blind you. So here are our shades, and we can go ahead and swatch. Okay, and this is just one pass. Okay, that's what we see here. So we'll get to the end and we'll decide if we want to go ahead and create a look. Now, our pamphlet says This 5-pan matte eyeshadow palette with a mixture of shades. This palette is a great way to add boldness and vibrance to your eye looks. Manufacturer suggested retail price on this one, $32. The box is already paid for itself, even at the new prices. So let's move right along. The next item that we have is by the company Touch and Soul. Okay, and this is what the packaging looks like. Oh, it's gorgeous even on the inside. And this is glassy. Now, according to our description card, it says Touch and Soul Pretty Filter Glassy Skin Balm. Ultra hydrating priming skin balm with a sensationally smooth texture that melts into your skin and creates the ultimate glow that lasts throughout the day. Manufacturer suggested retail price on this one is also $32. Okay, so I mean, it feels nice and smooth on the arm. There's no, I mean, it's not adding any texture or anything to it, so that's pretty good. The next item that we have is by Iconic London. This is a very nice nude color. And this says, I'm loving this as a lip gloss. However, this says this is a plumping lip gloss. Do you see this? Not necessary. We'll try it out and see. Nonetheless, it says Iconic lip plumping glosses are the ultimate combo of non-sticky gloss and plumping power. The high shine formula is infused with a biometric peptide, which helps to support natural collagen production for more defined and voluminous looking lips. Manufacturer suggested retail price on this one is $28. Now, it's a gloss. I don't know what I'm expecting to see putting it on. See, this is it right here. It smells quite medicinal. And I mean, I didn't even put it close to my face, just putting it on my hand. So, that's the next item. And moving right along, the next item we have is the Becca Anti-Fatigue Under Eye Primer. This is the outer packaging. Okay, let's take a moment. Let's just take a moment and appreciate the packaging on this item. Look at this. Look at this. This right here is gorgeous. Even if the product didn't work, the packaging itself is gorgeous. However, it's a Becca product and we expect things from Becca. Oh, it's very, very smooth. Does not add any shine. Okay, our description card says, Anti-Fatigue Under Eye Primer is your secret weapon to re-energize tired eyes. The thin, delicate skin under your eyes is the first to show signs of aging. Unique pressed priming balm glides on easily to cool, soothe, smooth, and rehydrate fatigued under eye skin. Manufacturer suggested retail price on this one was $32 as well. I'm telling you, I'm really appreciating this packaging. It's gorgeous. It's absolutely gorgeous. Okay, and the last item that we have is by the company Jaunty Blue. And this one is an lip liner. Let's see. Very red, of course, as we could tell. Here we go. It's right here. Okay, and our pamphlet says, master any desired lip color, and produce long-wearing staying power with Seasoned Blue Lip Liner Pencil. The creamy, highly pigmented formula glides on effortlessly and can be worn alone, used for flawless lip contouring, or as a long-lasting base for any lip color. Manufacturer suggested retail price on this one is $5. Okay, now these are the contents of our October BoxyCharm. I will leave across the bottom of the screen what the total manufacturer suggested retail price is for all of the products, all 5 of them. Okay, now let's just take a moment, and I think I really want to, I'm not going to do much, but I am just going to do a little bit with this eyeshadow palette. And I'm even going to use the brush that came with it, okay? And let's see what we can do. I'm going to create this look using these 3 shades right here. Now, I do have my other brushes close by, just in case. Okay. Now, I did use the baked browns, okay? Now, I must say, it was a little chalky for me. That's the issue that I have. The pigmentation is amazing, but it's just a little too powdery, you know. We'll see. Not all of them were that powdery. The darker ones, the darker it got, the less powdery it was. So that I can appreciate. I mean, it doesn't really bother me as long as the staying power is there. So that I do like. This right here doesn't work for me. This is not my color. It's probably amazing if I'm wearing a red lip, but with this lip gloss, it's too orange for me. And this shade is actually called 947 Hot Red, but it was a little too much. So I used my NYX liner in Club Hopper, okay, with this. Now, my lips are still tingling, y'all, so this is truly not for me. I don't need plumper lips. I mean, it doesn't look bad. It looks rather nice. I just have to be able to get past the plumping, and as long as my lips don't blow up and look like I was stung by a bee, I'm okay with that. So these are the items that are included, as I stated to you earlier. Now, I do hope that I have covered everything that you want to know about the items that are in this month's BoxyCharm. I do thank you so very much for choosing to spend time with me on today. Now, if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. Leave me a comment below. Let me know what items you received in your BoxyCharm. If you do not currently get BoxyCharm and are considering getting it, let me know down below. I'd love to have a conversation with you. And as I said, if you do receive BoxyCharm already, let me know what you got. Let me know what you liked, what you didn't like. Like, if I were to say my least favorite in here, you already know about the plumping situation, but right now it's this. And I haven't even been able to use these 2 products the way they were intended to be used yet. But as it stands right now, my least favorite product would be this here, the Seasoned Blue Lip Liner, because this is not my shade, and the Iconic London Lip Plumper. Only because, not because of the shade, because I do like that, and I do like it doesn't feel sticky or anything like that, okay? But So that's where I stand. And I would like to remind you, regardless of the season that you are in, you will always be a seasoned beauty. Until next time.